Hi, this is Don Prattle from tradeMONSTER. We at tradeMONSTER want to offer you access to our award-winning trading tools with our virtual trading platform, papertrade. Why would anybody want to trade with fake money? You can find trade ideas, analyze them, execute them, and adjust them if an adjustment's required. Let's take a look at how it works.
tradeMONSTER Strategy Seek scans live market data for thousands of option strategies targeted to your forecast and risk priorities. With one-click navigation, you can easily analyze, alter, or trade any of the selected strategies. Using Strategy Seek is as easy as following 3 simple steps. First, enter your forecast. Second, select and order your risk priorities. And then find the Show Strategies button. The right side of the chart is the future. Your trend lines can extend into this region, and any anticipated earnings or dividend dates will be shown there as well. This is the part of the chart that enables you to make a forecast for where you think the security will go. The blue bands represent ranges of probability or likelihood that the security will reach any point. You can roll over any point to get a more precise probability value. For a price forecast, you simply target a price and a target date of where you expect the underlying to go. You can do this by simply clicking a point on the chart or by using the price and date selection controls. In step 2, we select and order your risk priorities. Strategy Seek lets you order 4 risk priorities depending on which one is most important to you. Risk priorities will be given more weight if they are higher in the list. So as you move these tabs along, you see that they reshuffle for us. In step 3, click the Show Strategies button and let the Strategy Seek tool do its work. You can click on any of the strategy icons on the left for more details. Once you select a strategy, you're only one click away from analyzing, editing, or trading that strategy. You can click the Analyze button right here to send that strategy off to the trade lab for testing and a better understanding of the risk-reward characteristics.
Now that you've identified a trade, the tradeMONSTER tools allow you to analyze it and then execute it.
tradeMONSTER's spectral analysis shows a visual depiction called a spectral map of how an option strategy behaves between the current time and expiration. You can use the map to envision how various paths that the underlying might take that will cause the strategy to experience profits and losses. You can also adjust volatility to see how rising or falling volatility causes the profit and the loss areas to grow or shrink. On the snapshot analysis window, you can get data that will show you the risk reward for your position at expiration, the maximum profit, the maximum loss, a break-even point, and the risk reward analysis. You can roll over any point on the map and see the gain and the percentage gain of that strategy. If you click a point, you'll be able to get a spectral slice and see how the related Greeks will affect this position. You'll see the probability of this position landing between a stock range that you can set. Note that the Create Order button will always populate the adjustment into the order ticket.
Once the trade is on, you'll need to pay attention to it. And after you do that for a while, you may need to adjust it. The tradeMONSTER Adjust Trade tool allows you to do that very easily. Let's see how.
You can easily make adjustments to your equity positions, close your position, or select from a number of strategies, including income, protection, and repair. Let's click on my CCE Iron Condor position. Here is the Adjust Trade tool. Using this, we can simply step right in to create a closing order for the position. We can increase the wingspan on this Iron Condor. You should note that on the top of this window, you can see your starting strategy, and on the bottom of this window, you'll see the adjusted strategy after the trade, the way that your options will line up at that point, if you increase your wingspan. On the order ticket, we can see across the top the description of our position and the closing trade that we need to make. And now we can confirm. Here is our buy order to buy back this June iron condor, paying 20 cents. We can send the order to the market. Even if you're only learning about trading and you're not ready to put money in your live account yet, tradeMONSTER Paper Trade will allow you to continue your education process until you are ready. And when you are ready to get real-time streaming quotes and support from people who really understand options, it will be much easier for you to proceed. Welcome to tradeMONSTER.